Hey guys and gals, this is Latif for Well and welcome to the new update on Pundi X, the NPXS token. And we have two big events of the Pundi X token together, even one after another. One is today, another one is by tomorrow on 14th of July. Today we have this event, and this is, you can see this is a tweet by the Pundi X Labs to assist retail merchants to process various cashless payments. We are rolling out PayPal's inclusion on XPOS devices. And other one is tomorrow, and that is a big event, that Pundi X token removal Q2 2020. And this is the announcement. You can see that in sum, we will remove 48 million NPXS and NPXS XEM permanently from the total supply of July 13, 2020. So this would be the big event that can decrease the supply of the NPXS token from the total supply. And it can also affect the price of the Pundi X token as well, because if the supply will be decreased, then automatically the demand will be increased. For example, if the supply will be decreased and the demand will be remain the same as we have at this time, automatically the demand will be increased and the balance will be changed between the supply and demand, and that will affect the price as well, and the price can be increased eventually. Now let's move to the live chart. First of all, I would like to share with you this move by the Pundi X. When this tweet was added on 30th of June, you can see that the date of this tweet was 30th of June. You can see this was the date, and the price line was here, and it was struggling between the 50, 200, and the 25 simple moving averages, and having strong resistance levels. At that time, it was crossing up the 50 and 200 simple moving average. This yellow one is the 200, this green one is the 50, and this blue one is 25. And after very next day, on the 31st, on the 1st of July, we can see that the price action started a really very powerful bullish divergence, and this was the result of this tweet. And it was up to 7th July, that was more than 70% rally. And after that, the price action retraced. If I just place this Fibonacci tool from this low up to this high, then we can see that the price action retraced up to 0.618 Fibonacci golden ratio of the Fibonacci retracement and bounce back. At this time, we are having again another bullish move by the price action of Pundi X, and we are having very strong bullish candlesticks on the daily chart. At this time, the price action also found a resistance at this level. You can see that we have so many touches by the price action, so many spikes at a certain level. And if we watch on the long-term weekly chart, then the price action is trying to enter in this bearish cloud for the first time ever in the history of the Pundi X. This is the Ichimoku cloud, and this is the lagging span. Let me make it more visible for you guys. This is the lagging span, and this is the conversion line, that is the bullish line, and this is the baseline, that is the bearish line. Now we can see that the lagging span has already crossed up the price action, so it is another bullish signal. And if we watch the conversion line and the baseline as well, let me remove this price line, then we can see that we have received a bull signal. The conversion line has crossed up the baseline, so this is another bullish signal. Now if the price line will break out this bullish cloud, at this time the price action even not entered in this bearish cloud, so we can expect soon it will be entered in the bearish cloud. At this time it is at the resistance. This bearish cloud is working as a resistance, and once it will be entered here, then our next resistance of the bearish cloud will be this level. So this is a very big gap. However, we can expect, if the price action once will have this bearish cloud, the start of this bearish cloud as a support, and these conversion and baselines are working already as a strong support for the price line. And once the price action will be able to cross up this bearish cloud, and this cloud will be turned bullish from red to green color, and we will have a support of this cloud beneath the price line, then it will work as a really very strong support for the price line, because so far it has been working as a strong resistance. Once it will be changed to the support, then it will be working as a strong support, same as like at this time it is working as a strong resistance. Now I would like to show you another indicator that is just appeared for the first time in the history of the Pundi X, and that is the chop zone is turned bullish. You can see that on this weekly long-term chart. This is the chop zone that shows that the trend has been chopped. For example, at this time we were in a long bearish trend, but on this long-term chart, the weekly chart, we can see that it is turned bullish. So it is showing the clear signal that the bearish trend on the long-term chart is getting chopped, and we are having a bullish trend very soon, as we are having the bullish signals by the chop zone indicator. And let me just show you my previous chart that I've been sharing you since last year, and that is the NPXS with US dollar pair. The long-term weekly chart, the price action has formed a very big bullish butterfly pattern, and at this time the price action is moving above this potential reversal zone of this bullish butterfly pattern. I'm just playing this chart. You can see that the price action is now geared up and moving towards this sell zone or Fibonacci projection. Realistically, the price action can enter in this area, and this is the projection of A to D leg of this bullish butterfly pattern, and it will be almost 600%, up to 600% bullish rally. But that is the realistic move by the price action of Pundi X, like we have already seen by the price action of KNC and so many other patterns that I have posted. If you're not following me, then you can also find those charts in my Tradingview profile and also on my YouTube and other channels as well. Same as like those patterns, the price action formed this harmonic move, and realistically it can enter here in this level. But if the price action will be able to break out this level, this 0.786 Fibonacci projection, then it can turn more bullish. After that, we cannot have any idea that where the price action will be stopped, whether it will be moved to the 1 cent or maybe more than that, or maybe $1. However, realistically, we can expect the move up to this area, and that is $0.00037 up to $0.001010. So this is the realistic move by the price action as per Fibonacci sequence of the bullish butterfly pattern. So this was the update so far by the price action of Pundi X. If I will have more updates, I'll definitely share with you. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like, do subscribe to my channel, and do share my channel and videos as well. And you can also share your opinions and questions and your comments in the comment section with me. Take care. Goodbye.